Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2018 Hyundai Elantra SE. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with keyless entry, power side mirrors, lightly tinted glass, a perimeter alarm, and much more. 15-inch steel wheels, all-season tires, projector beam, halogen daytime running preference setting headlamps with delay off, and a strong 4-cylinder with only 754 miles. A shark fin antenna, large wraparound brake lights, key fob trunk release, a very spacious cargo area with a cargo net, and a comfortable back seat with bottle holders. The front row cloth bucket seating, power outlets, door bins, a large center console, AC, outside temp, a tilting telescoping steering wheel with convenience controls, the entertainment system with a CD player, speed sensitive volume and an auxiliary port, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.